What if I told you that you could make up to $100,000 a year, working from anywhere, setting your own hours and being your own boss? No fancy degrees, no prior experience, just skills you already have. Yet most people are completely unaware that businesses are desperate for virtual assistants and will gladly pay top dollar for simple tasks. Stop scrolling, stop doubting. Because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the 15 most profitable ways to make money as a virtual assistant, starting today. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on life-changing opportunities like this. Let's get real. The 9-to-5 grind is dying. Businesses are shifting online and they're drowning in tasks they can't handle alone. The solution? Virtual assistants, a $100 billion industry that's exploding right now, and it's only getting bigger. Why? Because companies save 60 to 75% by hiring remote VAs instead of full-time employees. They need skilled people like you. They'll pay you handsomely if you know how to position yourself. So, let's break down 15 powerful ways to make serious money as a virtual assistant, so you can ditch the office, work from home, and live life on your terms. Many virtual assistants aim to build a path to financial independence and a thriving business. Having a consistent flow of money gives stability and freedom, whether supplementing income or relying fully on VA work. As the demand for VAs increases, skilled assistants can scale up their solo efforts into a full enterprise. Taking on more clients and diversifying services helps to maximize earnings. Building a diverse client base across service offerings makes one an attractive asset in the VA market and opens the door to grow exponentially with a virtual assistant business. How to make money as a virtual assistant. Number 1. Administrative support. Be the backbone of a business. Offering virtual administrative services involves handling tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, and other administrative duties for clients. As a virtual assistant, you can leverage organizational skills and attention to detail to streamline clients' workflows. This service is lucrative as businesses often seek efficient support to manage day-to-day operations. To maximize profitability, consider specializing in industries where your expertise can shine and invest in time-saving tools to boost productivity. Number 2. Social media management. Social media management is a goldmine for virtual assistants with a flair for digital marketing. It includes content creation, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance metrics. Given the increasing importance of social media for businesses, offering this service can be highly profitable. To enhance profitability, stay updated on social media trends, utilize scheduling tools, and showcase your creativity in crafting engaging content. Number 3. Website design and maintenance. Keep sites running smoothly. If you possess web design skills, offering website design and maintenance services can be a lucrative venture. This involves creating websites, updating content, and ensuring functionality. As businesses strive for an online presence, a skilled virtual assistant in web design is in high demand. To boost profitability, stay abreast of design trends, offer packages including maintenance services, and market yourself through a portfolio website. Number 4. Content creation and blog management. Virtual assistants with writing skills can delve into content creation and blog management. This includes crafting blog posts, articles, and managing editorial calendars. Businesses seek quality content for online visibility, making this service profitable. To maximize earnings, specialize in niche topics, offer SEO optimization, and explore partnerships with other content creators for broader reach. Number 5. Email marketing. Helping businesses with email marketing involves creating campaigns, managing subscriber lists, and analyzing performance metrics. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for customer engagement, making it a lucrative service. Enhance profitability by staying informed on email marketing trends, utilizing automation tools, and showcasing successful campaign results in your portfolio. Number 6. Bookkeeping and financial management. For virtual assistants with a knack for numbers, offering bookkeeping and financial management services is a smart move. This involves handling invoices, tracking expenses, and ensuring financial accuracy. Small businesses often seek such support, creating a steady market. Boost profitability by investing in accounting software, obtaining relevant certifications, and offering bundled services for comprehensive financial management. Number 7. Customer support services. Providing virtual customer support involves handling inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Many businesses outsource these services, creating opportunities for virtual assistants. To maximize profitability, develop excellent communication skills, use customer support tools efficiently, and consider offering 24/7 support for a competitive edge. Number 8. Project management. Virtual assistants skilled in project management can offer their expertise in organizing and overseeing projects. This includes task allocation, timeline management, and coordination. Businesses value efficient project management, making this service profitable. Enhance profitability by obtaining project management certifications, utilizing collaboration tools, and showcasing successful project outcomes. Number 9. Podcast management. As podcasts gain popularity, virtual assistants can specialize in podcast management, handling tasks like scheduling, editing, and promotion. This service is in demand as more businesses and individuals venture into podcasting. To boost profitability, stay updated on podcasting trends, invest in quality editing tools, and offer comprehensive packages that cover all aspects of podcast management. Number 10. Graphic design. Virtual assistants with graphic design skills can offer services like creating visuals for social media, designing promotional materials, and crafting logos. Businesses often seek visually appealing content, making graphic design a profitable avenue. To maximize earnings, stay creative and updated on design trends. Invest in quality design software and build a strong portfolio to showcase your skills. Number 11. Online course creation and management. For virtual assistants with expertise in a particular subject, creating and managing online courses is a lucrative option. This involves content creation, platform management, and student engagement. As the demand for online education grows, this service becomes increasingly profitable. To enhance profitability, specialize in sought-after topics, create comprehensive courses, and market them effectively. Number 12. Virtual event planning. Offering virtual event planning services involves coordinating and managing online events, from webinars to virtual conferences. With the rise of remote work, businesses seek virtual event planners for seamless experiences. To boost profitability, stay updated on virtual event platforms, offer customized event packages, and showcase successful virtual events in your portfolio. Number 13. Language translation services. Virtual assistants fluent in multiple languages can offer translation services. This involves translating documents, emails, or even website content. In a globalized world, businesses often require language support, making this service profitable. To maximize earnings, specialize in specific industries, obtain certifications in translation, and utilize translation tools for efficiency. Number 14. Tech support services. Virtual assistants with technical expertise can offer tech support services. This includes troubleshooting, software installations, and guiding on technology-related issues. As businesses rely heavily on technology, there's a consistent demand for virtual tech support. Enhance profitability by staying updated on tech trends, obtaining relevant certifications, and offering remote tech support packages. Number 15. E-commerce support services. For virtual assistants familiar with e-commerce platforms, offering support services like product listing, order processing, and customer service is a profitable venture. The booming e-commerce industry creates ample opportunities for virtual assistants. To maximize earnings, specialize in popular e-commerce platforms such as Wix, stay updated on industry trends, and offer comprehensive e-commerce support packages. So, you've honed your virtual assistant skills and are ready to embark on the journey of turning your expertise into a thriving business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started on making money. Before diving into business, identify your niche and the specific services you want to offer. Whether it's administrative tasks, social media management, or specialized services like podcast management, defining your niche and main business idea will help you target the right audience. Decide on the structure of your virtual assistant business. This might be a sole proprietorship, LLC, or another business structure. Check local regulations and ensure you comply with any legal requirements for starting and operating a business in your area. Outline your business goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategies in a comprehensive business plan. This roadmap will guide your business decisions and serve as a reference as you grow. Create a professional online presence by building a website. This is your virtual storefront and a powerful marketing tool. Include an About page, services offered, pricing, and contact information. Use a clean and user-friendly design to make navigation easy for potential clients exploring your virtual assistant website. Select a domain name that reflects your business and is easy to remember. Choose a reliable hosting provider to ensure your website is secure and runs smoothly. Platforms like Wix make it easy to set up a professional-looking site without extensive coding knowledge. Leverage social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Create profiles on LinkedIn, Twitter, or platforms relevant to your target market. Share valuable content. Engage with your audience and use these platforms to showcase your expertise. Determine your pricing structure based on your services, experience, and market rates. Clearly outline your pricing on your website and establish convenient payment methods for your clients. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your virtual assistant services. Utilize social media, content marketing, and networking to reach potential clients. Consider offering limited-time promotions or discounts to attract your first clients. Okay, you know how to make money. Now here's how to land your first high-paying client. Step 1. Build your online presence. Create a strong LinkedIn and Instagram page. Clients will check. Step 2. Offer a free value call. Give potential clients 5 minutes of free advice, then upsell your services. Step 3. Join online marketplaces. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, hundreds of clients are waiting. Your future is in your hands. Right now, someone, just like you, is making $5,000 per month or more as a virtual assistant. The difference? They took action. Time will pass either way. 6 months from now, will you be in the same place? Or will you be working from a beach earning passive income? You decide. You can do this. Start today and change your life. Comment below which VA job excites you the most. Subscribe for more ways to build wealth from home. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Subscribe and hit the bell. Comment a VA success for free guide. Which VA job excites you the most? Comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.